Today I will present MCP server for Sitecore Ordercloud. I integrate Ordercloud solution with MCP server. Few words about me. So I'm a freelance solution architect. I have 70 years experience with Sitecore. So I think I'm one of the guys who work with Sitecore 4. I don't know, Marek, if you work. No. I am a Italian Sitecore MVP and I'm based in Cluj-Napoca, Romania. And I'm really happy to be here in Warsaw. So this is the list, what I'm showing you. It's an introduction to MCP server, what MCP SDK we can use, what MCP servers we have for Sitecore products, because are multiple, what is the MCP inspector, and then few words about MCP server and the demo. So model context protocol was built by Anthropic just last year. It was released, I think, in November 2024, and it's an open source standard for connecting AI application to external systems. So using ACP, AI application can talk with data sources like local files, database, tools, for example, the REST API. And here it's a graphic how it was before. So you have to build for every external tool your plugins, and now it's much easier, and I feel that it was really easy to build the MCP server for the Sitecore Ordercloud. Why I'm thinking it was really easy? Because Ordercloud offer a lot of REST API, and it's pretty easy to use to build something on that REST APIs. So it's exactly what I mentioned. In simple terms, MCP servers, it's just a bridge between AI models and the outside world. So access up-to-date information, for example, if you had in the past events and you build now a new events from your site and you try to ask AI, he doesn't know to get the latest event. And yeah, you can perform action in external system. For example, in my MCP server, I build action like to create a new catalog inside Ordercloud. So from my chat, I can do a lot of things. Okay. Why MCP matters? It's solving real problems. AI model face several critical limitations. Like I said, it doesn't know about the events in 2024 because the LLM was built and trained in 2023. The integration complexity, it's another problem because you have to build for every system custom code. So imagine that you have 5 systems and then you need to build for or to train the LLMs for all of them. What are the available SDKs? So this one, it's a picture from here, and you can see that we have SDK for TypeScript, for Python, for Go, for C#, PHP. Being a backend developer, I was looking to C#, and what I noticed that it's a preview version, so you don't have release there. And then I was looking to TypeScript, and then they have really up-to-date version. all the SDK should have the same functionality, so you can create MCP server to create tools, to create resources or prompts. It was the list of the MCP servers built for Sitecore, and looks like are 4, or I found 4, is the one, the most famous from the guy from Ukraine, Anton. Probably you know it. He built like more than 100 tools, and you can create items you can use for GraphQL, item service API, and so on. It's another one for Sitecore Send. To be honest, I didn't look on it. It's another one for Sitecore CDP, built by Mark Stiles. And I built this one for Sitecore Ordercloud. Why I built for Sitecore Ordercloud? Few months ago, I started learning about MCP server and said, wow, it's a good idea to have a MCP server for Sitecore. And I think Anton was 1 week, 2 weeks faster than me. And then I didn't build. I said, okay, I will build something else. The MCP inspector, it's an interactive developer tool for testing and debugging servers. So this one, it's a pretty nice tool. You can run it together with your MCP server, and you can query your data. For example, I have here list catalog, so I can test my tools here and I see if they are working or not. I can debug them. Sometimes I had issues, and it really helps me to understand what was wrong. Because when I built it, I had many issues. For example, my URL was wrong. I remember I didn't put a V1, and then I had 404 or 400 bad requests, and then I just go here and I was able to test to see exactly what was wrong. But I will show you during the demo what is Sitecore Ordercloud. So Sitecore Ordercloud, it's a SaaS product from Sitecore. They acquired like 4 years ago a company. It was named 451, a US company. So it's a API first product, and it has some key features. For product management, you can create, manage, and to organize products in categories, in catalogs, and so on. You have order management, you have customer and user management. You can integrate with other tools using webhooks. Also, it has some security features. You have the role-based access control, and it's pretty secured. So here are the endpoints that they have. If you count them, they said are 450 REST APIs. So you can see there that you have, for example, for catalogs and categories, 24 endpoints, for products, for prices, for product facets. They have their website now. It's pretty nice that you see all that list. It's really long list. You just go there, and what is interesting, they build the documentation there, and you have API for LLMs. I don't know if you see. I don't know exactly how LLMs connect to the site and know to use it. What I built, so I built around 96 tools. So I have 96 calls to the Ordercloud for the catalog tools, for the product, category, promotion, buyer, suppliers. But yeah, I plan to extend it to try to have more of them. To be honest, I don't have experience with Sitecore Ordercloud, like building a real project. I just read. I'm certified on Sitecore Ordercloud, but I didn't have real experience. I asked one of the guys, it's a guy from Canada, to have a call and to tell me what should I do, but he didn't have yet time to have that call. The integration with the Visual Studio Code. So here in the main is just the starting point. So you can see here that I'm building an MCP server. I'm registering the tools. I have the Ordercloud client with my credentials. And here I'm saying what kind of transport, server transport to use it. So right now they have 3 server transport. I think it's STDO, SSA and HTTP something. And I remember SSE, it's obsolete. So are just 2. And here in the Visual Studio Code folder, we need to have an MCP JSON file, and we write how to start it, and we can run to restart, and it said how many tools I have. That's why I know that I have 96, because I didn't count them. And now is the demo. So during the demo I will have some easy parts, like list catalogs. I will ask him in English, and then let's try in Polish to see. I don't know, everybody speaking Polish? Okay, so here it's the chat, which I have it. So here you can see that I'm using Claude Sonnet, the LLM. Why I try also with ChatGPT, but I feel that this one is working much better. Okay, so I have show me the catalogs. Come on. Okay. He need to authenticate. I don't know why. Because before it works. Somehow now it's asking me to authenticate from time to time. Okay, he find that he need to retrieve the catalogs using this catalog, I think. And I will press always allow. I should have 7 catalogs. I will also try to connect to portal or the cloud and to compare. What? Okay. So you can see here I have 7, but I don't know why it's not working here.
Working hard. 50 tests.
I will stop it and I will run it again. And what I said, I want to show you the MPC inspector. So this one is the MCP inspector. Do I have an error here? I will stop it and I will try again to authenticate, please. So until that one will work, I will try to show you the MCP inspector. I have no idea because so far it works fine. Okay, authenticate. Okay. Show me all catalogs. Yeah, so you can see here I have 7 catalogs. And now I will try with the MCP server to compare them. So I'm just going to the list tools. Let me make it bigger. And I choose here this catalog. So here I have few options. For example, to search for a specific catalog on which field. So I'm just writing here like buyer or play. Based on the name, and then press run tool. And I can see here I have 2. For example, I go here and I would say Please delete the India meetup. So he knows that this catalog has this ID, so he already learned from the response, and I press allow, and now it's deleting another tool's delete catalog. And now I should have just 6.
Will it always use the same format for the list of catalogs, or is it like his?
You can say what format to use it.
You mean like the way it prints the catalogs? Is it always the same, or it's his invention?
No, it's the same, because here you can see the list of the catalogs. So if I run it again, you can see here I have 7, I should have 6. So I have 6, and you can see I do not have the India. So it's
The way he presents the catalogs in Visual Studio.
it should be the similar like here. So you can see ID, description, active, and categories. For example, let's check Play Shop Public, and it's active now.
Yeah, okay, so maybe different way. You didn't provide him with the format how to display the catalogs. It came up with this.
Yes.
Okay.
So you can see here this one is false. So it's the same data, just the format, maybe it's how he wants. I didn't say how to do it. Okay, now, do we still have time? Okay. If I want to create a new catalog, let me put it like this. I think the internet is not very good because I'm just doing hotspot from my phone. And that's why we have it like such a delay.
Has any more complicated scenarios, not just CRUD operations, something like show me all the catalogs with recently created products or something like this?
I didn't build such a thing, but I have something. I will show you after this one. It's pretty easy, yes. But it's strange that it's not. It's very slow. I don't know exactly. I can try to change it to... Okay, now I should enable it. I hope it's working.
Also, it's his invention that after each operation, he will list the catalogs. You didn't.
No, I didn't. So you can see here it creates a new catalog. Related to your question, if you have a complicated scenario, so a few years back, together with Marek, we ran in Madeira a race. He was on the long run, I was in the short run, and I prepared something in Polish. So I'm searching for a camel bag in my list of the products, and I'm writing in Polish. So let's see. What? So he find the products with the camel back, and he want to show me the price. So here it gives me some information about 5 liters, and now I want properties. So he knows to find that camel back. What? It's very strange because when I showed to Marek a few minutes ago, it just showed the product. What? But I try with Claude Sonnet, not with ChatGPT. Okay, so he showed me these products, these informations. And here I have an image. So he knows to get it. But I don't know, to be honest, why he showed me the price and not all the properties. And yeah, I have another question for him. That's for me. Also in Polish. With Claude Sonnet it works. I know he loves me. Thank you.